Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your Google Play balance to your bank account. So firstly what you have to do is just simply go to your Play Store, then click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then next what you have to do is just simply click on help and feedback, and after that just simply click on contact us, and in contact us firstly explain why you're contacting them. So simply write transfer Google Play balance to my bank account. Then after writing this, just simply click next. Then choose about play balance, and after choosing that, just simply click next. Now scroll down. Over here you will find multiple options, but all you have to do is just simply click on next step. Now what you have to do is just simply click on community, or if you have a chat or email option, just simply click on that. Now over here just simply give a short description that what exactly happened and what you want them to do. Then after writing the detail, go to category, click on the drop down box and choose other at the bottom. Then in platform, just simply click on the drop box, choose whatever device you are using currently. For me it's Android. Then in the next option, which is I'd like to, click the drop down box, just simply choose fix an issue or problem, and after that just simply click on next step. Now in the end, just simply click on post and make sure to check this box which says get email. Now within few hours or a day, Google Play staff will contact you and will help you to get your balance back to your bank account. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.